Italy makes some of the world's finest wines, and for this latest offering we have two ruby beauties right here. One is a classic and the other a real hidden gem. Barolo is known around the world as the king of wines and the wine of kings because it was championed by the Italian noble class in the 19th century. It's famous for its beautiful floral aromas and its ability to age for decades. Sagrantino is a rare grape found in Italy's Umbria region. It's so rare that it almost went extinct in the 1960s. To this day, there are only 3,000 acres in the entire world, so this is your chance to taste it for yourself. This set comes with these two wines, my personal tasting notes, a quick primer video to give you some background, and an easy pairing recipe that you can make at home. And then once you're good and savvy with these wines, we'll go live on Zoom for an interactive tasting. For over an hour, you can ask me questions if you like, I'll give you some quick tips, and of course we'll drink wine. All of this can be found and purchased at WTSO.com. But don't wait too long, as the name implies, supplies are limited and this will sell out. And for an extra 10% off the bottom line, be sure to use my one-time discount code at checkout. I hope you grab these beautiful wines and are able to join us live so we can experience them together. I'll see you there. Ciao.